Now we will be seeing the use of merging or morphing. Both mean the same. When we try to combine two or more files together, that time we need to make use of opacity option. So how to make use of it, that will be seeing now. For that we need 2 to 3 images. We'll be making use of these images, that is a cricket team and a cricket stadium. Okay, so which one we want to highlight? We want to highlight the cricket team. Okay, so what we will do, we'll keep this image on top. So drag this image and place it on top of the stadium. Okay, and then enlarge it using free transform tool. Then go to your layer option. Over here you can just decrease the opacity. Decrease the opacity up to 50%. If you still want it to be lighter, you can still decrease it. Okay, so when you decrease the opacity, the image becomes transparent and it will look as if both the images are merged together.